Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek. Today I want to run through an employment lawyer client that we have who's out in California, looking at the last 30-day statistics, so March 18th to April 16th, 2020. And as you can see here, he's got a small budget. He's spending about 50 bucks a day. 97 clicks in the last 30 days, 1,900 impressions, 5% click-through rate. He's paying about 11 bucks, 12 bucks a lead, more like 12 bucks a lead, and total spend was about 1,100 bucks over the last 30 days. He got 53 leads at a cost of $21 a lead, and his page is converting at 54.6%, which is just outrageous. I mean, this guy does really, really well, and he's obviously one of the unicorn clients. They're not all gonna convert like this. Normally in the employment lawyer niche, it's anywhere from 25 to 30% conversion rate. But we just got this guy really dialed in because he's been with us for I think six or 7 months. So we've had a lot of time to work on his campaign, and we got it dialed in now. So the first thing I'll talk about is the conversion rate, 54%. As I said, this is not a standard conversion rate. Okay, so don't onboard or try to build a campaign yourself for employment lawyer and expect to just start converting at 50% of all your clicks into leads. All right, this is the effort of months and months and months of work and tweaks to the landing page and the ad copy and keywords being paused and added and negatives and all that stuff. So keep that in mind, all right, when you're looking at this. However, you should expect to convert at 20% or over. Always. Every campaign you start out on, whether it's for yourself, for your business, or whether it's for one of your clients, if you're an agency, you should always aim for 20%. 20% should be the magic number for conversion rate. We see, a lot of the people that come to us have been with other agencies, and their conversion rates are always the same. It's always anywhere from 7 to 15%. We've rarely seen somebody come to us from another agency who's converting at 20 to 25% or above. So that's something to keep in mind. Another thing, like I always say with our little videos here, employment lawyer keywords and ad groups. These are high intent keywords, okay? These are not people searching for employment law definitions or random broad terms, all right? Every single keyword we are bidding on is someone who has an urgent need, who is looking for an employment lawyer. And that is really the key to Google Ads. There's not much else that goes into it. You're somebody searching for a problem, and you are in their face offering a solution to the exact problem that they just searched for. That's really it, and that's how you're going to get the 50% conversion rates. Now, this landing page is very simple. I think it's just a small header with a call to action to call for a free consultation with an employment lawyer. Then it goes down to the main header, which is our main call to action. And next to that is a contact form with a name, email, phone. Tell us about your situation. Text box. That's it. So these are legitimate leads. They're not just email collection or just phone number collection or just name or whatever. We're not walking them through some elaborate funnel, nothing like that. We're just hitting them straight with, here's your problem you're searching for. Here's how we're going to help you solve that problem. All right. Then below that, we just have a little about the company. And then below that, it's just reviews, real reviews, screenshots from Facebook or Google or reviews or whatever that your client has. You should always add those onto your landing pages. They're definitely going to boost conversion rate. Now the budget, this guy is doing really well with $50 a day. If he spent more, he would get even more leads than this. I mean, and he's happy. He doesn't need to. He doesn't want to. He lets this run in the background, and someone fields these inbound phone calls because these 53 conversions a month. A majority of them are phone calls or inbound calls. Because that's pretty much with every client we work on, we are driving calls. That is our main focus. We don't really want to drive form submissions too much because if you're not on those right away, they're harder to contact. Inbound phone calls turn into appointments, which turn into cases, which turns into money. And that's what we really want to do with all of our clients. So that's why we're basically running mobile traffic only in these campaigns. There's a little bit of desktop coming through, but we have our mobile bids adjusted higher and our desktop and our tablet reduced down because we just want to drive the phone calls. That's our main focus. So if you guys are interested in us running this type of campaign for an employment lawyer for yourself or for one of your clients, reach out today and we can talk about that and I can show you some more cool stuff. And also don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video. I'm going to drop some stuff in there for you guys I think is going to be helpful. And also, if you have any questions about the employment lawyer niche or anything like that, or this campaign in particular, or you want to see the landing page or something like that, drop that in the comments below this video. All right, I'll catch you guys in one of the future videos. Hopefully, I'm gonna be onboarding a new employment lawyer soon, so I'm gonna make a video going from scratch from 0 to 30 days, and we're gonna see where that goes.